Minecraft fire alarm test. This is me with glasses on. I'll just try and set this up just the best as I can. That was my control, right? There's one thing. Oh, there's the outside. We don't want to go here, guys. This is the switch. You just fire alarm pull. So let's go and do it. See, fire alarm's going off. Even I got an outside one. One thing what I really hate about this, that it shows the redstone wiring. Look at this. I really hate this part. Right, let's go over to the panel. Wait, hold on a second. Let's show you in the attic room. Okay, attic. Where's the attic room? Oh, here it is. Right, here's one here. And these are just like lights, just to light up the attic a little bit. Right, let's get down here. Hold on a second, something's... Right, let's go and turn this off from the security panel. Just a little panel what I made. It's one of the whatever. Right, these are like, most people don't do them, I think, probably. So, yeah, right, turn this back on. Reset it, even this works. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. I really like it. Oh, nice. I didn't know I made this. Well, I don't need it. I can just reset it from here. And just reset it from here. Woo! Something not really recommended. Right. This is actually a town. This is actually the biggest town in the world. Look at this. Minecraft. Isn't that awesome? And even you can just... Right. Even I did this to do a prank for a villager or something like that. So let's go down here. Oop, followed. What's in here, baby? Nothing that important. So, bye-bye, guys. I hope you have a great day. And you can check out my other channels. I don't have really much videos. And it took a while for me to do this one. I'm sorry, I just been busy doing stuff. So I'll do the next one in I don't know, next video. So bye-bye, guys. I hope you have a great day. What?